Sridevi Charitable Trust to develop a world-class institution in the field of medical, paramedical engineering and emerging technologies with a highly developed educational infrastructure, excellent faculty to provide a state-of-the-art teaching and learning process, and to effectively harness the human capabilities and their intellectual assets for sustainable competitive advantage. As India takes center stage in world affairs, benchmarks are being set by our increased excellence in the field of education. A synergetic approach towards educating the masses will result in a highly motivated and informed group of youngsters who will take on themselves the task of bringing India to the forefront in world politics and economy. Sridevi Charitable Trust, established in the year 1992 at Tumkur, is a world-class institution that has been spearheading the cause of viable and employable education. Any student can look forward to an environment that prods the inner self to seek knowledge at Sridevi Group of Educational Institutions. Dr. M.R. Hulinayakar, MBBS, MS, the founder managing trustee, has his name synonymous with surgical excellence. He is the epitome of knowledge and is known for his commitment and zeal to serve. Service and development is his hymn and verse.
Sridevi Charitable Trust is established in the year 1992 with the sole aim to impart quality education and to cater healthcare services for this part of the state. All the courses are recognized by the respective apex bodies and universities. The institute has established high-tech laboratories, highly qualified teaching professionals. Many of them are doctorate and they are involved in teaching and research work. At present, we have students from all parts of the country and abroad, and they are happy in this conducive environment.
Sridevi Trust has an educational culture that propagates comprehensive understanding of all subjects learnt and directly facilitates the challenging of concepts to allow students to come up with creative as well as innovative solutions for any kind of issue that might arise in their respective fields. Sridevi Group of Educational Institutions has state-of-the-art laboratories, spacious classrooms, ambient and well-stocked library. Right from the institution's campus to being up-to-date on technology and emerging trends, the institution is a trendsetter in the area of globalized education. The infrastructure, culture and life at the campus have been meticulously designed and developed with due consideration.
Education is the most important invention of the mankind. It is education which transformed man into the human. Education has to be designed, administered in such a way that each individual has to develop to the fullest extent of his ability and realize his potentialities, and simultaneously to develop an attitude to put these abilities into the services of others. So, teaching faculty is the role model, extracting the inner talents of the student. These aspects are taken care by the trust. Sridevi Institute of Engineering and Technology is emerging as a hub of knowledge and aims to make much larger contribution in the field of engineering education. So, the institute gives impact on curriculum and future directions. So, Sridevi Institute of Technology identified the following characteristics for the engineering stream. Superb command of engineering fundamentals, broad perspective on the role of engineering in the society, creativity to envision the new solution to the problems, entrepreneurial skills to bring these visions to reality, and communication and leadership, high ethical standard and professionalism. Welcome to Sridevi Institute of Engineering Technology. Let us join hands together to build nation. Mera Bharat Mahan.
The Indian system of education lays great emphasis on 360-degree interaction. The faculty-student interaction process at the Sridevi campus is a seamless relationship that is built on trust and discipline. The well-trained faculty members at the campus are a blessing to the student community. The renowned teaching faculties are experts in their respective fields and also possess years of experience in sharing their knowledge using tried and tested as well as emerging methodologies. The institution offers a wide variety of undergraduate and postgraduate courses, together with systematic training for placement after duration of study. Each department is headed by a competent head of the department and provided for with necessary staff rooms, chambers and internet connectivity. Department of Biotechnology. Biotechnology is the science upon which all biotechnological applications are based. With the development of new approaches and modern techniques, traditional biotechnology industries are also acquiring new horizons, enabling them to improve the quality of their products and increase the productivity of their systems. Our biotechnology labs comprise of Biochemistry Lab, Momentum Transfer Lab, Unit Operations Lab, Cell and Microbiology Lab, Molecular Biology Lab, Biokinetics Lab, Bioinformatics Lab, Immunology Lab, Bioprocess Control and Instrumentation Lab, Enzyme Technology Lab, Bioprocess and Automation Lab, Upstream Processing Lab, Downstream Processing Lab, Tissue Culture Lab. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. This department is about electronic components, integrated circuits and microprocessors and consists of designing, fabricating, testing, maintaining and supervising the manufacture of electronic equipments. This branch of engineering has a key place in the field of computers, information technology, electrical, power system operations, communication systems, etc. With some of the best infrastructural facilities, it is one of the best branches of this college. Our Electronics and Communication Engineering labs comprise of VLSI Lab System Design, Digital Signal Processing Lab, Communication and Advanced Communication Lab, Power Electronics Lab, Microprocessor Lab, VHDL Lab, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Computer science is the study of the theoretical foundations of information and computation and their implementation and application in computer systems. Still others focus on the challenges in implementing computations. A further subfield, human-computer interaction, focuses on the challenges in making computers and computations useful, usable, and universally accessible to people. Our Computer Science and Engineering labs comprise of Algorithms Lab, Microprocessor Lab, Graphics Lab, DBMS Lab, Internet Technologies Lab, Network Lab, Project Lab. Department of Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical engineering is an engineering discipline that involves the application of principles of physics for analysis, design, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It requires a solid understanding of key concepts in mechanics. Our mechanical engineering labs comprise of Basic Workshops, Material Testing Lab, Metrology and Measurement Lab, Fluid Mechanics and Machinery Lab, Heat Transfer Lab, Energy Conversion Lab, Design Lab, CAD/CAM and Robotics Lab, Machine Shop, Forging and Foundry Shop. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Electrical and Electronics Engineering is the field that deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics and electromagnetism. The field now covers a range of sub-studies including power, electronics, control systems, signal processing and telecommunications. Our Electrical and Electronics Engineering labs comprise of AC and DC Machines Laboratories, Circuits and Measurements Laboratories, Power Electronics Laboratory, Microprocessor Laboratory, Control System Laboratory, Power System Simulations Laboratory, Relay and High Voltage Laboratory. Information Science and Engineering is an architectural approach to planning, analyzing, designing, and implementing applications within an enterprise. Information engineering has many purposes, including organization planning, business re-engineering, application development, information systems planning, and systems re-engineering. Our information science and engineering labs comprise of Algorithms Lab, Microprocessor Lab, Graphics Lab, DBMS Lab, Internet Lab, Network Lab, Project Lab. Master of Business Administration. Business administration consists of the performance or management of business operations. It can be defined as a universal process of organizing people and resources efficiently so as to direct activities towards common goals and objectives. Our Master of Business Administration labs comprise of Business Lab, having 60 computer systems with necessary business software packages for the students to operate the simulate business problems. Highly qualified professors and lecturers to teach and train the students. A seminar hall having a capacity of 100 seats, fully equipped with necessary electronic audio and video system is established. Apart from mainstream education, the institution also equips the modern youth to face the outside world. From time to time, it organizes a variety of co-curricular activities, lays great stress on sports education and cultural activities. We also have an active functional NSS unit. The college offers a host of other student-friendly facilities which include e-campus with smart cards, hassle-free administration process, and also equipped with 2 Mbps leased line internet facility for all the departments. The college has separate hostels for a strength of 800 boys and 400 girls. It is fully furnished with excellent boarding facility. To conduct seminars and conferences, the college has highly modernized seminar halls, conference halls with audio-video facilities, and central computing facility up to 8 p.m. Transport facility is available from the main areas of the city to college. The canteen and banking facilities are especially customized to satisfy the students' need. For every 20 batch of students, the teacher-student counseling is also available. Other extra activities on campus which provide additional value to the already provided degree. Curricular activities. Value-added courses in frontier technologies in each department like embedded systems, .NET, Linux software, DB2, CNC training, solid edge software training extra, competitive examination cell, paper presentation cell, CSI chapter, ISTE chapter, etc. Other activities: adventure club, yoga club, movie club, aerobic club, spiritual club, etc. Sinchana Forum, magazine committee.
Our institution offers 6 UG courses and 1 PG courses, that is MBA, with a total intake of 420 students. All laboratories are well equipped with state-of-the-art equipments, good academic ambience, and well-disciplined environment. The college library has good number of books, periodicals, journals with e-learning facilities. The university results are excellent in all the years. As a whole, we are emphasizing overall development of the students by maintaining best academic environment and standards, imparting soft skills right from first year to final year through a agency, Global Technology, Hyderabad, with a MOU. We also separate a career lab and communication lab for practicing, which help the students for placement. About 70% students are placed in the reputed companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Carita, Robosoft, etc. Our goal is to make all the students a good human engineer who can serve the society and the mankind as a whole.
The Training and Placement Cell has high facilities for conducting interviews, special lectures, workshops, and group discussions. The main aim of the cell is to interact with the world of the corporate and to train the students for the corporate world. Activities organized: soft skills development program, entrepreneurship awareness program, competitive exam cell and industry institute interaction. Sridevi group of institutions visualizes to create a center for excellence in the fields of engineering, IT education, medical, paramedical, and managerial skills comparable to the best in the world for creating professionals who shall be leaders in innovation, entrepreneurship, and creativity. Interaction and communication has been playing a pivotal role in helping students to choose Sridevi as their preferred place of study.